In a significant move under the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council's Solid Waste Management Act 2020, the Dorbar Shnong Nongrah received a new garbage collection vehicle dedicated to improving waste management in the locality. The vehicle was officially handed over to Nongrah Headman by the KHADC Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Syiem. The ceremony was attended by local leaders, members of the Dorbar Shnong and community representatives including women's and youth groups. The request for the vehicle was submitted by the Dorbar Shnong Nongrah after maintenance costs on the old vehicle became unsustainable, and the KHADC promptly responded, delivering the vehicle within a month. During the handover, the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Pyniaid Syiem, announced additional development initiatives for Nongrah locality, including a scheme aimed at repairing local roads, constructing footpaths, enhancing water supply, installing new electricity poles, and setting up CCTV cameras for public safety. These upgrades aim to boost infrastructure and ensure the safety and welfare of the residents of Nongrah locality.
Di kapor nan yo ban khap yo ni ribbon kum kadak jing pelak bai ba ya kan ida drop kit nyut kabla ai sha ka Dorbar Shnong Nongrah aga jing don lang ni Rangbah Shnong secretary ki Rangbah dong bat ka committee bro ko wei ringkat baki nong Shnong long ke me long pa ni gasngi kaba ila ai lingba ka district council na ka 15 finance commission grant type grant arja apwe apku an